noun چې کوم دی first thing به موږ discuss کوو noun چې noun څه ته وایي. Okay, so nouns are words that indicate person, place or thing. Mean person but indicate कोई, place पर indicate कोई, या but things indicate कोई. See the shade cheeses. Okay, so noun की जो कहते हैं first thing that is दाबा the word दी, this is word दी अगर था तो indicate के show कोई था तो person. यो person name पर show कोई, place पर show कोई, या but things की कहते था तो indicate कोई. Was the noun per sentence की जो कहते हैं noun can function as the subject. The subject हम शिराते subject already हम discuss कर लेते. Object of a verb हम शिराते object हम we have already discussed this, and preposition हम ने discuss कर ले, बल्कि verb हम ने discuss कर ले. See that discuss later on. Now noun can also follow a linking verb. Our linking verb हम discuss कर लेते. Our that time हम example work कर ले हो. Let's say Zuemech Ahmad is weak. No matter the is the linking verb. Hadine lawaji kam de mangaveli for linking verb to rename. Rename ya re-identify the subject of a sentence. Say that subject of sentence se da rename kai or ya re-identify kai. Say that the subject of sentence or clause. And these are known as predicate nouns. See that? How is then lawaji kam de dashin already mung discuss kili, so we don't want to waste our time here. Now here if you see noun functioning, now mung such kam de noun se ki da function or ki the subject of a verb. Da function or ki the function or ki the subject of the verb. Say that. A noun with function is the subject of a verb when it is the subject of a sentence. Da kala noun chikla subject of sentence rashi kana. Aga betsa function or ki subject of a verb and comes before the main verb or the main verb na makhkira. It means da chidal tarashi subject dil tarashi main verb. Sahi da kana. Da subject dil tastasara le noun ra. No da noun rashi da siki da function or ki subject of the verb or the subject of sentence this is or the main verb na makhkira lalega. More often than not the noun will begin the sentence. Now if you see example bani clear. The Ahmad killed a snake last night. Ahmad ragale mung cha khabar rakho the Ahmad khabar rakho. Ahmad chikam Ahmad khabar manko ndero idazam sa subject us Ahmad chikam de that you person num de kana ndero wajde tamanga noun value ada noun chikam de cha puchi ragale the subject ragale the subject ndero wajde de value shi dilte function to the subject of verb adilta verbs das shedi kill das shedi das verb ad de verb subject se Ahmad. Ahmad chikam de che kale di last night snake kill kale di. This ki Ahmad tas noun chu say that our function is or is the subject the noun de kana the function the or the subject of the verb our verb se shiri tas kill. Like that no example the John teached English and John mung John khabar ko das subject our base subject chikam de first thing khuda da subject or the John chikam de you num de na de the noun show na da noun rale se is a subject of the sentence. Children subject of the sentence. Obama subject of the sentence. Subject of the verb put it. And okay dal tarash the politician today dena mata so that di chikam ne das tasa modifier manga value all the determiner modifier tas ma discuss kari. Complete subject or simple subject discuss kita saga further video chikam first I think first video la tas akatele se namang check class tas sara noun rashi our first thing that tas subject malum ki se sentence ke subject tas malum ko no da subject ku charta noun it means that the noun chikam the function work is a subject of the verb or chikam verb tas aga subject उस राशि second thing چې کوم دی زموږ سره دی noun function is the object of the verb subject هم شو اوس object of the verb راځي the noun function is the object of the verb when it الته موږ ویلو کنه چې الته وستاسو subject اول راشي به main verb راشي see او دا وستاسو چې دا وستاسو noun no when it comes after an action verb چې کله دا د action verb نه بعد راشي and receive the action of the verb مطلب دا دی چې دا به څه کیږي دا به ستاسو action verb دی لیټ سي دلته د دې نه به ستاسو رالی object رالی او دا object چې کوم دی ستاسو سره څه دی noun دی او دا څه کوي دا action څه کوي action receive کوي موږ already discuss کړی دی چې object چې زموږ سره یو direct object دی یو indirect دی اول ما ویلو چې preposition of object صحیح ده object of preposition is something موږ ویلو نو تاسو already هغه ویډیو وکړو چې object ته clear شي okay now here نو دې مطلب دا دی کنه چې noun functioning as an object of the verb چې کله دا راشي د چا نه بعد د action verb نه بعد راشي او action څه کی receive کی a noun function is an object of the verb in a sentence will always be recipient of the action دا به همیشه څه کوي action receive کوي صحیح ده recipient by موږ direct object already discuss کړی دا point صحیح ده now Tom slept Jerry Tom slept Tom څه کو slept یو مطلب یو کس slept کړی دی هغه څوک دی هغه څه دی نو recipient څوک دی Jerry څوک شو Jerry چې کوم دی action receive کو کوم action receive کو کوم چې Tom کړی دی صحیح ده کنه او دا action څه شی دی verb دی دا slept چې کوم دا verb دی دا action verb دی او دا چا receive کو Jerry receive کو نو here since noun Jerry چې کوم دی is coming after the action verb or action verb starts with slept starts action verb and receive the action of the verb or the action of the verb so receive koi the Jerry receive koi we say it is an object of the verb slept or that slept so the object de say like object of the verb so the object of the verb comes slept is the verb de say or the action verb or the object so the Jerry دی ځکه چې او Jerry noun دی نو it mean دا چې noun درته function ورکوي د څه the object of the verb and the verb is slept now more example if you see here I kicked the ball دا kick چې کوم دی ستاسو action verb دی and the receiver the action verb دی او the recipient څوک دی ball او ball ستاسو سره noun دی and this here if you see here then ball is noun and its functioning is object of the verb or the verb is kicked mean if someone kicked the ball so here if you I hit Salman said the recipient of the action they here the teacher punished the student چې کوم دی تاسو noun دی او that's the recipient of the action they and that is why this is the object of the verb punished او دلته چې کوم دی دا د action چې کوم دی receive کوي recipient دی نو دا object of that verb شو students تاسو noun دی نو مطلب دا دی چې دا object دی کنه first thing that is the object دی او second thing that is the noun دی it mean دا چې دا noun چې کوم دی function څور کوي as a its object ورکوي see I wrote a letter this also letter is noun and is functioning as noun and function is object of the verb now here you see I know London because I have been there several times ودلته چې کوم تاسو سره I know London تاسو چې دی recipient of the action دی because I have been there several times so I think this is clear now too much example خدینه لا ورشه دی بل پوینټ تاسو دی noun functioning as the object of the preposition موږ ډیسکس کړل say object of preposition تاسو موږ direct object indirect object and object of preposition اوس noun براشي تاسو سره او هغه noun براشي هغه function څور کوي function ورکوي object of a preposition say that when a noun function is object of preposition it comes after a preposition, the preposition بعد برازي in the sentence. By definition, any noun that comes immediately or immediately, whatever you call it, after a preposition is the object of that preposition. نو موږ definition مطابق لاره چې کله noun اگر راشي د چانه بعد فوراً بعد راشي د preposition نو چې preposition نه بعد لکه دلته مطلب لیټ سي ستاسو preposition دی او په دې پسې ډایرکټ راغلی ستاسو یو noun راغلی نو دا ستاسو سره څه شی دی object of preposition. This is object of preposition. Like adalta tu gora. I matas to preposition of a particle ki difference ho dale resi. For previous video ki tasu katresh. I gave the book to John. That to chikam ne stasa preposition. Preposition de kana. And John chikam ne stasa noun de. It mean da chi da John se da object of preposition. Object of preposition. See, John is the object of preposition to in this sentence. Preposition starts a to de, or John starts a noun de, or noun chikam de object of preposition. Ab manga definition mutabik lare che preposition na baad, fauran baad, kala starts a rashi. Preposition na baad, fauran starts a noun rashi. Immediately, you see here, any noun that comes immediately after a preposition is the object of their preposition. Clear? The object of preposition. I hope this is also clear. Then the noun functioning as the complement of a verb. Complement, we have I think discussed this complement also. Chi complement voice da term chi di kind complement show. Then the subject to simple subject, complete subject, a linking verb. That da chikam terms the ma already discussed. Skill dire wo is mata pata da de ki bar razi. Complement we have already discussed this thing. Okay. خدینه علاوه چې کوم دی اوس مونږ څه کوو چې اوس ناون چې کوم دی هغه ستاسو راشي او هغه فنکشن ورکړي د څه شي د کمپلیمنټ اف ا ورب راشي کمپلیمنټ اف او کمپلیمنټ ګوره سمپل دسی کنه چې کمپلیمنټ از د ټرم یوز فور words that are needed to complete the meaning of an expression. Expression complete. Let's assume example mas previous I think this is algebra. Algebra is difficult. So difficult is the word which is the subject complement for the subject algebra. I think we have discussed all this. I've written like this. Algebra is difficult. Okay, and difficult. نو دا difficult خو تاسو ته adjective دی کنه صحیح دی کنه الجبرا باره کې مون خبره کوم دا زموږ سبجیکټ دی اوس د دې چې کوم دا expression complete کېدو لپاره مونږ دا difficult word use کو نو it mean that this word is the subject complement او مونږ هغه word چې هغه مونږ د دې لپاره use کو چې یاره څه وکړي ستاسو expression complete کې زه چې algebra څه ده دا completion نه ورکوي خو چې کوم algebra is difficult نو دا difficult word چې کوم دی دا څه کې دا complete کوي څو complete کوي دا expression complete کوي نو دغه وجه موږ ته ویل شو subject complement خدین علاوه چې ګور ما تاسو دا ایکسپلین کړی چې دا subject complement چې کوم دی کنه دا adjective شي کېدلی صحیح دین علاوه چې کوم دا noun شي کېدلی او د دین علاوه دا تاسو سره pronoun هم شي کېدلی صحیح ده که په دې کیس کې زموږ چې کوم راغلی او دیټ دا به څه کوي فالو کوي به څه دا به فالو کوي linking verb and we have discussed this term and very detailed چې linking verb به فالو کوي تاسو ته example درکړم دلته example دا دی کنه algebra is difficult so دلته په دې sentence کې چې کوم دی تاسو ته difficult څه شی دی دا تاسو سره adjective دی څه دی adjective دی او دا اس چې کوم دی دا تاسو سره linking verb دی the linking verb followed by adjective noun or pronoun هغه subject complement تاسو اته subject complement وایي او subject complement وو څه تم complement موږ ته وو چې یو expression یو داسې word use کو چې هغه expression complete کی صحیح ده کنه دا موږ already discuss کړی but let me just review what's the way noun function is the complement of the complement of already now a noun will function as the complement of the verb when it comes after a linking verb or a state of being verb and receive no action from the verb. Action बच सके न receive कोई मतलब दा दे 1 minute over here. When it come दा बच कलर राजी after a linking verb या state of being verb राजी linking verb out या state of being ची कम verb दा अगना बाद बदा राजी और दा व receive कोई सा no action मंगा पाम which action receive कवल वक्त ऐसा कले object की देखिए action no receive. Some example of linking verb in English language include the following. Number the linking verb be as, are, am, be, are, was, were. These are linking verbs. Okay, you see. Now John is a liar. John chikam de liar. Then let's go to the liar chikam de liar. Sorry, this is not lawyer. It's something different. This is liar. Liar matlab jhuta. Okay, John is liar matlab da de chi noun liar paki noun de. Say it again. The function work is the subject of the complement. Let's go to John is a. Now dil tasta meaning the expression ne complete ki so pata da liar lapaz nahi lagawal. Or the verb is chikam de. So the verb is a complement de. Now John is a liar. John chikam de so the you liar. Other example of the noun function is the complement. Aga desta sura trader noun dekna. The man is a trader. The man is a dash. A man is so say man chikam de that trader la puchita supurani lagawale no ki the expression ne complete ki it mean that trader say the complement they see that then la chikam de I was a teacher. No, I was yeah I am a teacher. So you teacher so I was a teacher while living in China. See that no, that teacher chikam de dasta sura noun de or that tasaki the function work is a complement of the verb. Verb दिलता सो दे was clear. No मतलब दारे first thing तासु कम understand कवली अगर दारे ची noun ची कम दे अगर function worky this function worky is the complement of the verb. अब complement होता है तो हमारे discuss करे दे ची complement is the term used for words that are needed to complete the meaning of an expression. अब ये मैं तासु example दार को algebra is difficult सही ना algebra चला difficult. No, that difficult word. अभी हम दाख बरा कले होगा ना चिदा दागा चिकम भी subject complement है दाम subject complement algebra is difficult. No, बोलिए कि दा algebra चिकम दा दास्ता उसरा subject है सही रहा ना और दा difficult चिकम में दास्ता उसरा adjective थे उस दा difficult चिकम में दा complete कई चीज़ दा expression complete कई इंदिरो जितना मंगा subject complement वो सही दा याद है सी वो मची practice makes algebra easy दा मंग already discuss करे no practice noun makes the verb algebra the object run practice make what आता समा value के ना चे the word whom answer okay अब तो से object direct object राजी algebra be noun शो easy no मतलब चले दा object complement सही है बे मंग दा खबर ओकला चे subject complement चिकम दी दा is the adjective रातलेशी noun या pronoun that follow a linking verb दा linking verb follow कलेगा जो much Ahmad is weak. No, Ahmad chikam de subject of the sentence see that and s chikam de stasa linking verb show and we as the subject complement see that no subject complement chikam de dasaki the subject hawale sarabi or complement chikam de aga expression completion the param no manga chikala nouni or noun chikam de aga see complement of the verb rashi na aga dadi the man is a trader. Man is a trader. As chikam de the complement of the verb as chikam de our trader. You see that? Yeah, the I was a teacher. No, build the chikam de was verb de or the chikam de complement rale teacher. No, this is car teacher as the complement of the verb. Hope this is clear now. There's more example. If you see here, John is the winner. John chikam de our winner de our friend from Pakistan were the losers and I think that is an animal. So these sort of example you can study by yourself. Now here all highlighted nouns and I said okay this we have done. Now come here to the next nouns being and the apposition to the another nouns and this is very important. This is very important topic. Okay, so now we will discuss that noun functioning is the apposition to another noun. So being an apposition to another noun. Okay, what does apposition means? Apposition means the positioning of things side by side or close together. So okay. Now here you see, here is the pen here. This is the last but not least grammatical function. Matlab there are no function, but this is the in our case this is the last one. A noun can be an apposition to another noun. So that's the apposition, which apposition matlab that the positioning of things side by side, yeah, close together. Matlab you with the close. You see the example ki batao suvi single close. By definition, the word apposition means putting a noun. Let me highlight. Apposition se matlab they putting a noun next to another noun to explain it. So each time you see a noun placed next to another noun, that noun is explaining the other noun. Then you have a good example of noun being apposition to another noun. Okay, you see here the nurse, and this is the name, has retired, has book, this is the name of the book. The book animal form is a first. So these are apposition to one animal. Okay, you see here this is the noun and this is also the noun. These two are an apposition to one animal, and this explain one. Like let's say this woman, she, the teacher Ahmad has expired. Was gora that teacher chikamde come teacher Ahmad teacher. Now that dwara noun chikamdi the you will the apposition mani you will the close together. You will say explain kai. Was that come teacher? The teacher has expired. Come teacher expired Ahmad. Ahmad is the teacher. Mean this is the name of same thing. The person who is Ahmad and is also a teacher. See? Now the matlab that the noun see that whole chicken the apposition noun. You see here the book, has book, come book, animal form wala book. They see that chicken the hometown Manchester वगैरह. Now that's also shitty. This the value apposition noun. See that? Hadene अलावा चिकम दे तासे apposition noun is very simple. One noun use राशि और बल noun से के explain करी और you will to get it. मंगा उस role तासे तो खैर subject चिकम दे. You subject of sentence डाले दे. Oranges is the noun. Okay, और that subject of sentence दे. Object of sentence डाले he likes oranges और that's the object of the sentence. The noun they obviously complement that they are oranges. The oranges और तासे तो they are चिकम दे. Linking verb the say that can last was possible amongst the attributive noun or adjunct noun no sorry or the matlab that a thing added to something else is a supplementary rather than essential part. So I mean this attributive means you should you add the things is not mandatory for you how to add this but just a supplementary things, so you can call that attributive noun or adjunct. Okay, a noun can also be like adjective. That noun that is adjective to modify another noun. See, like an adjective. Adjective mang value can adjective mang dawo the word which modify noun or pronoun is called adjective. See that can like as it is you oxygen tank. No oxygen stasu sare noun dekana tank stasu noun dekana was the oxygen tank matlab dare the oxygen tasake oxygen diamond car our function is like adjective that's a modify kai chok modify kai that tank modify kai no tank sake tank modify kai inde wadita mangaso ayu deta mangwayu chida noun de or the functioning so kai the attributive noun see our attributive noun ha noun the vele issue agasuki agamanga the thing that's added to something else is supplementary rather than essentials. Okay, ring come ring the diamond ring. Now the ring pa mana ke chikam the modification chao ko the diamond okno that diamond chikam the stasara sare دا ستاسو سره function یې ورکړل څه as adjective when noun are used like this they are called attributive noun خو چې کله ستاسو noun داسې راشي چې هغه بل noun څه کي د بل noun modification وکړي هغه په meaning کې modify کړي صحیح ده که نه هغه meaning ته څه کړي more explain کړي وضاحت ټایپ وکړي نو هغه ته موږ څه وایو هغه ته موږ attributive noun لکه زه وایم چې ډور کم ډور کار ډور دا کار چې کوم دی دا ستا سره څه کوي د ډور چې کوم ناون دی د دې په مینینګ کې څه کوي دا ماډیفای کوي او دا کار د چا د ایجکټیو کار دی نو مطلب دا دی چې دلته ناون راغلی او فنکشن یې څه ورکړی دی از ایجکټیو ورکړی ته موږ اټریبیوټیو ناون وایو صحیح ښه دې نه علاوه چې کوم دی زموږ سره موږ فنکشن ډسکس کړو انشاءالله سبا به بلکې نیکسټ لیکچر کې موږ دا ډسکس کوو څه common noun types categories به ډسکس کوو okay for today this is enough okay bye